Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to do our fourth use of modals. As you know that in our previous videos we had done three uses of modals, and now we are going to do our fourth use of modals in this particular video. This use of modals is going to be very useful. Besides this, we are going to do this use in three types, and all the three types we are going to cover in this particular video. So this video is going to be very amazing for you, very informative for you. So don't skip a single part and watch the all three uses of modals in this particular video. So our today's topic name is use of may. So we are going to do this use of may in three types, three parts, so that you just be veteran in this use of may. So without wasting time, let's get started. Our first type of use of may is possibility and permission. Okay friends, we are going to do this first type, possibility and permission, by using use of may. So if you are checking the possibility of above 90%, then you will use may. Okay friends, and if you are checking the possibility of 90% and more, then you will use may. And if you are asking permission from anyone who is higher than your status, and who is at good position in society, then you will use may. You will not use can, you will use may only. Okay friends, so today we are going to do this use in affirmative, negative and interrogative. So you have to make sentences by using these kind of things. We are not going to make sentences from use of may by possibility and permission in WH family. Okay friends, we are just going to make sentences by affirmative, negative and interrogative. So firstly, if I talk about the pattern, so the pattern of use of may by possibility and permission is subject, may, verb first, others. This is the pattern. This is very simple pattern. You have to just follow it and go through the sentences. Like if I talk about some sentences in affirmative, other types of sentences you have to make from your side. Those sentences which I make from my side, just have a look. First is you may go now. Second is you may leave. Third is you may do this work. Fourth is you may leave this place, and our last one is you may do marriage. Okay friends, these are the sentences in affirmative. Other types of sentences you have to make from your sides. The pattern is going to be shown in your screen now, so you have to just follow the pattern and make sentences from first use of may for possibility and permission. Okay friends, now we are going to do our second type of may. So this second type of may is going to be very informative and as well as very important. So you have to make sure that all the concept you have to be learn by focusing this, all the things, all the method, all the pattern. Okay? So if I talk about the pattern of use of may of second type, this type is going to be like cherry on a cake if you just watch the whole concept by fully focused, 100% focused. So our second use of may, you can say that for purpose, for specific purpose, then you will just use may. Okay friends, if you are using any specific purpose, if you are defining any purpose, then you will use may. For example, if I talk about the pattern, then you will use simple sentence. Okay friends, anything which you just want to speak, which you want to write, after that you will use so that, after that subject, may, verb first, others. This is the pattern, very simple. So I know that you are just not getting the point very clearly now. So if I talk about the sentences, then you will just make the sentences and you just become veteran in this use for purpose of use of may. If I talk about the example which I make from my side, so this is like I have to go to home so that I may do my homework. Next one is I may do my job if I want to earn some profit. Third is you may like to listen to music so that you enjoy the lyrics. You may enjoy the lyrics. This is our third part. And if I talk about fourth, our fourth sentence is you may doing exercise regularly so that you may be selected in army. Fifth is you have to give interview so that you may be selected in the job. So these are the sentences which you just use for specific purpose. After that, if I talk about our third type of use of may, so our third type of use of may is very you can say that amazing, because you have just listened this many times from since your childhood to now. So this is our blessings. Okay friends, which we are going to use of may for blessings. So the pattern is very simple: may, subject, verb first, others. Okay friends, if you are going to make sentences from blessings by using may, then you will have to make sentences in interrogative. You can say that in interrogative, a person who is just blessing another person. So you have to make sentences by putting may in first place. Okay friends, for example, may you got good marks, may God always bless you, may you live a long life, may you live a healthy life, may you become rich soon, may you get well soon. So these are the sentences which you can make from blessings, like may you got good marks, may you have a long life, may you live good and healthy life, may you get a proper diet, may you get a good physique. So these are the sentences from blessings which you can say that are third type of use of may. This is all about for this video. In this video we had done three type of use of may. First is possibility and permission, second is for specific purpose, and third is for giving blessing. So these are the three types of use of may, and with this we have done our fourth use of modals in this video. So if you like the video, if you like the explanation way, so don't forget to like the video. If you are new on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, because in this channel you will always get these kind of content, these kind of amazing content. And thanks for watching.